Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Women's Fashion. My dear friends, I hope you are all fine. In this leather video today I will show you a gorgeous and stylish short leather mini bodycon ideas. My dear friends, let's talk about evening wear and daily wear. Short leather mini bodycon ideas will change your personality, look gorgeous and great. My dear friends, if you are a new subscriber on my channel, make sure do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and get the latest and new daily updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.